The approach for our planning was to roll out working concepts to all our 46 LCs in order to use the full potential as one country. By enhancing the collaboration amongst all LCs, by using the potential of our strong entities to innovate, the goal was to use the knowledge and experience to grow together. ISEC Germany's ambition was to make sure that we will hit the all-time exchange record to become better than ever. For achieving this goal, certain drivers and behaviors were needed. We exceeded our ambitions that we had until now and showed the will to excel in exchange and to make every experience count. We adapted to the ISEC 2015 context and showed full passion and the mindset of no excuses.